Hey guys, just a real quick one here. A lot of people keep asking me, what is these pencil markings on the hull? Why do they do that? What are they, like 2-year-olds who are trying to color at school? I mean, what's the story over here? What this is, it's really an art. So what they do is they circle any areas that are indentated or not flush, and they mark them with a pencil in the areas anybody's got pinholes or imperfections or there's still some orange peel. So we get a nice, flat, uniform surface when we're ready to apply our primer and paint. So there is an art to doing this. And if you look down here too, we've got all these pencil marks, and you can see all the little fillers in where they use the Bondo and the premium waterproof filler to fill everything in, which are just little minute pinholes that when you're doing a paint job will show up and look horrible after a beautiful paint job. So we go the extra mile to make sure that every little pinhole and imperfection is fixed before we put our primer on, and sand our primer, and do the painting after that. So the art is really, you know,